But if you want to have a cigar every once in a while, it's a different actual entity than a cigarette from Marlboro.
Got it. So in other words, listen, that's not an endorsement of smoking cigars.
No.
It's just the least of the five.
It's probably the least harmful of the
What
five.
was the worst you had of the five?
I would say the worst is probably cigarettes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Interesting to see where that's at. You know, a lot of people, you'll hear people talking about nicotine is good for you. Yeah, we're in D.C. and we're outside, and I see this guy always you remember this guy?
Yeah.
I see this one guy always in the morning and at night, Paul. He's in a corner smoking cigarettes. Okay. So I told him, I said, hey, John, both guys' name is John. I say, hey, I see you in the morning and in the afternoon. At night, you have your cigarette appointment. He says, nicotine is actually good for you. You know what they found out? Here's what he told me. He says, they found that in front of my two boys, my 12 and 11-year-old son. He says, they found that people that smoke cigarettes actually didn't get the COVID virus as much as people who didn't smoke. I said, so are you telling me smoking cigarettes is good for you? He says,